दिस इज वितास्ता, वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो ये वीडियो का टाइटल देख के आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा कि मैं क्या करना चाहती हूँ, क्या करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। लास्ट ईयर आई गेस आई स्टार्टेड दिस सीरीज कॉल्ड मंथली फेवरेट्स एंड मैंने कुछ टाइम कंटिन्यू किया, बट उसके बाद मुझे ऐसा लगा कि इट वाज गेटिंग वेरी रेपिटेटिव। आई जस्ट डिडंट फील लाइक इट वाज इंटरेस्टिंग एनीमोर। बट जब से मैंने बंद किया है, आई हैव बीन गेटिंग सो मेनी कमेंट्स ऑन ईच एंड एवरी वीडियो। आई हैव बीन गेटिंग डीएम्स ऑन आईजी एंड ऑल टू ब्रिंग बैक दिस सीरीज। फाइनली आई एम काइंड ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग इट बैक। आई एम नॉट गोना प्रॉमिस यू कि यू नो आई विल कंटिन्यू इट फॉरएवर फॉर लाइफ। आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर नाउ। So if you're one of those people who wanted this series to come back and are watching it right now, just say hi in the comments. So it's 2023, you guys. I know I am posting this video kind of late, but I'm hoping you're gonna still see it. This video is about my January favorites, whatever I liked in January so far, blah blah blah. Okay, so first let me tell you about some highlights of the month. This is Mumbai. I'm not in Jammu for now. I came here for some event. तब से I am here since like 3 weeks and और भी काम है, so I'm staying here for a few more weeks. I miss my home, like I really miss being in Jammu. I don't know why. I really miss my cats, my babies. I also got a new phone. I know this cover is ugly. So many of my friends told me that they don't like this cover. I really thought that it's cute. पता नहीं उनको क्यों पसंद नहीं आया. I think I'm gonna change it. I've been bullied. Anyway, so this is my new phone. This is iPhone 14 Pro. I love it. I really switched from 11 to 14 Pro and I'm really happy. I love this phone so much. I'm just gonna keep it back. Next I got my hair darkened again. बीच में you know I got like highlights last time and they were kind of turning really yellow. बहुत ही rough लग रहे थे उसके yellowness की वजह से. So I got them darkened again. It's like an ashy brown color. अभी it's like my 4th day here, so I put it in a pony, kind of greasy, but you can see the color. Now let's come to the actual favorites part. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the skincare. Obviously अगर मैं इस महीने के skincare favorites बताने बैठ गई, I would have to tell you all my routine. मेरे सारे products जो अभी I'm using, they are all my favorites. They have worked wonders. They are so good. I will make another video about it, but I'm just going to tell you 3 products that I loved the most this month. The first one is this Aven Physiolift eye cream. This is the eye cream. Where have you been all my life? I've been using it since 2 or 3 months now. It has dramatically changed everything for me. I know I have put on makeup, but I have put in like a dot of concealer. डार्क सर्कल्स बहुत टाइप के होते हैं, बहुत सारे डार्क सर्कल्स होते हैं विच इज जस्ट यू नो हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन अराउंड योर आईज. तो यू कैन एक्चुअली क्योर इट बाय यूजिंग स्टफ लाइक नाइसिनामाइड एक्सेट्रा. सम डार्क सर्कल्स आर बिकॉज ऑफ जेनेटिक एंड sunken आईज. लाइक आपकी आईज स्ट्रक्चर ही ऐसा है कि आपके आईज अंदर है. लाइक मी, दे आर काइंड ऑफ डीप सेट आईज, सो देयर इज ऑलवेज अ शैडो कास्टिंग. आप चाहे कोई क्रीम लगा लो, कुछ भी लगा लो, अनलेस यू टेक इंजेक्शन, तब तक दिस पार्ट कैन नॉट बी लाइक completely flat and you cannot get rid of dark circles. So that part I have understood and I have actually embraced that part कि without fillers my eyes cannot be cured. मैं चाहे जितनी creams लगा लूँ, but what I can do is reduce the puffiness, reduce the darkened area and pigmentation around so that it is minimum, and this cream has done it for me. I swear to God. So I got this from Cult Beauty. इनका कोई offer चल रहा था कुछ महीने पहले. I got this for much less price. It helps with the wrinkles, puffiness and dark circles. It's a French brand. It is perfume free, paraben free, whatever. What are the ingredients? It's a thick eye cream और ये आपको कुछ हफ्तों में ही रिजल्ट दिखाना शुरू कर देगी. I will show some pictures of me without any makeup and you can see कि my dark circles have reduced. इसके ingredients एक pamphlet पे लिखे थे जिसके डब्बे के साथ था, वो मेरे पास नहीं है. So I'll just look them up on internet and I will put it here. मैं ट्रैवल करके आई हूँ यहाँ पे, तो मैंने ज़्यादा सामान नहीं लाया है. उतने के बीच में भी मैंने इतना बड़ा डब्बा और भारी मैं लेके आई हूँ बिकॉज दिस thing. Wow. This is Laneige. I don't know how to pronounce this brand. Laneige. Shut up. Water sleeping mask. I have been trying to get my hands on it बहुत टाइम से. मेरे विश लिस्ट में पड़ा ही हुआ था because it's kind of expensive. मुझे लग रहा था कि यार लूं कि नहीं. फिर जब पिंक फ्राइडे सेल चल रही थी तब मैंने ले लिया था. एंड तब से I have been using it like every day. इतना खाली हो चुका है, अभी लग नहीं रहा होगा पर काफी खाली हो चुका है. I use it every night and इतना सुंदर चेहरा, सुंदर बदसूरती को भी कुछ नहीं करता है, but it actually hydrates your skin. सुबह उठ के skin looks so plumpy and soft. I feel that hydrated moisturized skin is also even toned. ये आपके जो dark patches pigmentation है वो हटा देता है. You know me otherwise also, but if you don't, I do not apply foundation right now. Especially मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है. Just concealer and blush and skin tone is almost even. I think it's because of this. ये मेरे पूरे रूटीन से भी हो सकता है पर मैंने इसके बाद बहुत चेंजेस देखे हैं. It's a very good investment. And my third favorite product is very unusual. It is this L'Occitane cream. खत्म हो चुका है ये. This is a foot cream. Okay, मैंने पूरी यूज कर ली है ये और मुझे इतनी ज्यादा पसंद आई कि मैंने इसकी बड़ी ट्यूब भी ले ली. अभी ली है, सो इट्स लाइक थोड़ी भरी हुई. अब बोलोगे इतनी सारी फुट क्रीम कौन पागल खरीदता है, लेकिन गाइस फुट केयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट जम्मू में कोई भी वेदर, सर्दी गर्मी कुछ भी हो, आई नेवर यूज्ड टू टेक केयर ऑफ माय फीट. एंड कहाँ ही मैं पेडिक्योर करवाने बार जाती वहां पे तो मेरे पैर खराब हो गए थे. आई यूज्ड टू पील माय स्किन ऑल्सो अपने हाथों से. सबकॉन्शियसली मैंने बहुत काम खराब कर दिया था. मैं जब पेडिक्योर करवाने गई भी तो द लेडी वाज शॉक्ड टू सी मेरे पैरों में ऐसे क्रैक्स हो गए थे बीनीथ. मैंने खुद निकाल के कि इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट ब्लीडिंग. एंड दिस थिंग अलोन हैज सेव्ड मी. सिर्फ 3 दिन लगाने से द स्किन ग्रू बैक. अब मैं ये रोज लगाती हूँ चाहे पैर सॉफ्ट हो या ना हो, जो भी हो. मैं आपको अपने पैर नहीं दिखाऊंगी इस वीडियो में. लाइक दैट इज सो ग्रोस एंड वियर्ड, बट ट्रस्ट मी, यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट मी. अनडाउटेडली यू विल नेवर रिग्रेट बाइंग दिस. तो मैं और भी बता सकती हूँ, मेरे बहुत सारे स्किन केयर फेवरेट्स हैं, लेकिन these were the 3 for this month. Now let's come to my makeup favorites. If you have been following me for quite a while, so you must have known that I'm not so much fan of putting a lot of makeup, but over the years I have come to love makeup and makeup products and collecting new different kind of makeup and trying on new stuff, and I love it. The first thing that I am in love with, these are the skin tints from royalbeuti and Fenty Beauty. I know this is like, what are you even talking about? Trust me, these skin tints are just so good. They are like second skin. Literally कुछ नहीं लगाया है, ऐसा लगता है. So the Fenty Beauty tint is called the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop. I got this from a page from Insta. I will put the ID here. I had heard about it in reels and all बहुत ज्यादा, तो मुझे try करना था. बहुत छोटी बॉटल है, नो, बट आपको मतलब एक ड्रॉप ही लगेगा. This is in the shade 3. Okay, I'll just quickly tell you. थोड़ा सा लगा के दिस मैचेस माई स्किन टोन वे टू मच. एकदम से डिजॉल्व हो जाता है ये आपकी स्किन में. इतना स्मूथ. कहाँ गया? आप लोगों की रेफरेंस के लिए मैं आपको एक पिक्चर दिखाती हूँ विच इज अनएडिटेड, अनटच्ड, एंड उसमें आई यूज दिस टिंट एंड लुक एट माई skin here. The next one is a royalbeuti skin tint. This is positive light tinted moisturizer. It also has SPF 20 in it, and my shade is 26 warm. This one I got from Singapore. This is more watery and more moisturizing also. So this one also, आप देखो, it vanished on my skin. Gives a very nice skin-like coverage. The next thing I really like is the MAC mascara, MAC Stack mascara. This mascara was sent to me by MAC for their campaign, and I have not stopped using it. I've applied it right now. Look at that hold. Look at that lift. And look at that non-clumpiness, the naturalness of this all. One of my favorite mascaras ever, and iski packaging is also so nice, like so pretty. And my last makeup favorite is this Peri Pera Ink Velvet Tint in the shade 26. मैंने ये सिंगापुर से लिया था. I'm gonna post the Singapore haul very soon, like maybe the next video, and you will see I have already got like 3 from there, and मैंने और 2 खरीद लिए, and now I have 5 of them. अगर मुझे कुछ कुछ और नहीं लगाना होगा. I will use these and I'll be okay. This is also a Peripera lip tint. It's in the shade 02. This one is in the shade 26. मैंने पहले ये लगाया था, but then I was filming a video and I changed it. But let me tell you, this shade is my favorite. ऐसे देखने में बहुत डार्क लग रहा है, पर जब आप इसको ऐसे फैला दोगे तो इट गिव्स अ वेरी प्रिटी सा पिंक न्यूड कलर जो कि एग्जैक्टली मैचेस टू माई लिप्स, माई स्किन टोन. वन मोर थिंग आई लव अबाउट पेरिपेरा लिप टिंट्स इज दैट दे आर सुपर सॉफ्ट ऑन द लिप, मैट है बिल्कुल, एंड दे डोंट गो ऑफ या ट्रांसफर ज्यादा नहीं होता है, थोड़ा बहुत होता है, ज्यादा नहीं होता, एंड गिव सच अ pretty coverage. They give that blurred out lip effect. You can even use these on cheeks and eyes. Apparently मैंने कभी use नहीं किया, but I will try to do that someday. My favorite outfits of January have not been too many because मैं यहाँ आई थी expect करके कि यहाँ मौसम थोड़ा ठंडा होगा, so all I've got is like full sleeves and sweaters and shit. लेकिन यहाँ आते ही within 2 weeks इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी हो गई कि मैं क्या बताऊँ. I do not have many clothes, but the one thing that I absolutely love is pair of pants from H&M. These are the comfiest pants I have ever purchased. This is what they look like. कि बैठने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पेट पे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, थोड़ा पेट फूल गया हो या ब्लोटिंग हो रही हो, कुछ भी हो, no issues, and they look good with everything. Formal, casual. The next one is what I'm wearing right now. So this pendant from Accessorize, ये मैंने last week लिया था from Infinity Mall Accessorize, and it's pretty. इसमें rose quartz है, okay? They claim that this is a real rose quartz. Their stuff is like gold, silver plated, and unless you take a bath with it or put perfume on it, nothing happens. ये इनका coating नहीं जाता है. They remain like this. Sale चल रही थी वैसे. These were around 2000, which I think, oh my god, I got them for around 900 on like 60% off. So I was like, ठीक है दे दो. And the last one is this pair of Crocs. थोड़े से गंदे हैं इसलिए I'm not gonna show you पीछे से कैसे हैं. These are platform from Crocs. बहुत lightweight है, full rubber का है. And it's so good. It looks good with everything. It's so comfortable. पैरों में लगती भी नहीं है and थोड़ी height भी मिल जाती है. They also have this in black, but I took this. I think मुझे black भी ले लेना चाहिए. Alright, now comes my favorite part. That is my favorite music. I'm not gonna play a lot of songs for you क्योंकि मेरे इन वीडियोस पे हमेशा कॉपीराइट लग जाती है. I'm sorry. Probably sing a little, I don't know. So I made this playlist called Streets of Europe. I know, very corny, अजीब काम है ये, लेकिन why this name? Because these songs remind me of Europe. खुद को imagine कर सकते हो कि walking down the streets of Europe, and these are the songs that give off that vibe. I don't know why. This is my playlist, okay? If you want to join, you can join it. It's your wish. I'm just gonna link it in my description. Yeah, these are all my current favorite songs. The favorite songs of mine this month and the past few months have been What If I Loved You by Gatlin or Gaitlin. I actually even DM'd her on Instagram and I told her that this song is just so beautiful. It's become the soundtrack of my life these days. I am absolutely in love, and she even responded saying thank you and stuff. It's a very very beautiful song. I cannot believe इस song को इतने कम streams क्यों मिले हैं, YouTube पे इतने कम views क्यों हैं, क्योंकि this deserves to be a pop hit, a chart hit. I am not sure बहुत लोगों ने सुना है गाना because clearly, but this song is just so good. The next song I love जो मेरे इसी तरह shuffle में आया था, that is Silk Chiffon by Muna. Silk Chiffon is a song that screams summer. आप सुनोगे आपको समझ में आ जाएगा मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. It is so hard not to fall in love with this song and play it on repeat. On such a fun song. Life's so fun. Got my mini skirt and my rollerblades. It's a beautiful song. It's beautiful music, okay? And the third song that I am absolutely in love with these days is About You by the 1975. ये वाला मैंने रील्स पे सुना था बहुत. मुझे ये ट्यून इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद आ गई. I added this to my playlist. You might have heard it as well. Other songs that I really love and want to mention are these. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed My favorite shows, guys, don't kill me अगर मैंने ये बोल दिया कि I've only been binge watching a show for the third time now. It's Modern Family. This is my favorite show for now and probably next month भी यही रहेगा क्योंकि there is no way that I am going to watch something else for a while. I started 39 but फिर मैंने 4th episode पे छोड़ दिया. It was getting kind of depressing and I wanted something funny to watch. I don't know, just you know, it's life. I'm in that phase of my life फिलहाल. To me, Modern Family stands right besides Friends, The Office, Schitt's Creek and The Good Place. Like these are my top favorite shows in my whole life and Modern Family वहाँ पे है. And I think it's a very iconic show. It has characters like Gloria, Phil, Mitchell, Cam, Claire. I mean everyone is iconic. But strangely बहुत लोगों ने ये नहीं देखा है. I don't know why. उसी तादाद में जितना How I Met Your Mother वगैरह देखा है सबने, मैंने भी देखा है but एक ही बार. उससे भी ज़्यादा like people should watch this show. And this show ended in 2020, started I guess in 2009 or 2010. So this show is about 3 families that are related to each other. So there is the Dunphy family, the Tucker Pritchett family and the Pritchett. And this show has little kids in season 1 and वो season 11 तक आते आते they are adults. So you basically watch these children grow every single day to an adult and it's like you watched all their lives. बहुत wholesome है. I think अगर आप एक बार देखोगे you will not want to end it. Like I cried like a baby 2 बार जब मैंने शो खत्म किया है. It's about family, love and connecting with the family and obviously it's very 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 funny. And मुझे आज ही email आ गया Netflix का कि You season 4 has released today. So I think finally Modern Family से break लेके I'm gonna watch You. Not you. And with that, this video has come to an end. I really hope you enjoyed this video and the revival of this series made you happy. If you did, then please leave a like and write down a comment below. Say something nice, okay? I will be back really soon with more fun content and shorts. So आप देखते ही होगे. I post them like very frequently. Thank you so much guys for everything. I love you. See you next week. Till then, bye. Mwah.